We're here today with the Gallatin County Property Valuation Administration, known in the county as the PVA. Tell us, Ms. Middleton, what you do as the county PVA.
Okay. We review property in the county for assessment purposes, which basically means that we review property for tax value, taxable value.
How is the taxable value set? Who sets the taxable values?
Okay, I set the taxable value based on valid sales, which is a valid sale is what we call a sale where if you sold me something, I think I got a good deal, you think you made money. Okay?
What we was here to talk about today was to get it out to the people in the community on the homesteading, on how to go about homesteading, who qualifies for homesteading, and how much that reduces their tax bills and tax rates a year. Could you explain that to the people?
Yes, I can. Be happy to. The Kentucky statutes provide for a homestead exemption on property tax. What this basically means, if you are 65 years of age or older in 2011, you are eligible for a $34,000 exemption on your property taxes. Now, what that basically means, if you have a $100,000 home, it would take $34,000 off your assessment, which would mean you would pay taxes on $66,000. The homestead exemption amount is adjusted every 2 years to reflect inflation, or there's a process the state goes through to get that adjusted. To be eligible, what you would need to do is to bring us proof of age. That would be either a driver's license, a state ID, or a birth certificate, anything that would prove that you are 65 years of age. You would also need to have the property deeded in your name. Now, the only thing that's I would like to say here is you're only eligible for the homestead exemption on the property that you actually live in. If there is another exemption that we call the disability exemption. If you are totally disabled by Social Security, the Veterans Administration, or any other retirement system, you are probably eligible for the homestead exemption on your property. So if you must show, the only difference for the disability exemption is that you need to show us proof every year. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number is 567-5621. Or I can be reached at email at ruth.middleton@kentucky.gov.
Ms. Middleton, how often do you all go out and reassess people's property?
Okay, we do that every 4 years. The county is divided into 4 sections, and we do go to every house every 4 years. If
the state of Kentucky say we'll use a fictitious number of $14,000 for the homestead exemption. Okay, the state, if I'm correct, gives increases on that, or they'll hold it the same. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, if it goes from say 14 to they give it a raise of to $15,500 the next year, is that automatically taken off the people's homestead that's already homesteaded?
Yes, we do increase that every time we get official notification from the state. Our computer system allows us to adjust that, the homestead exemption, and it's applied automatically to everybody's property.
There is a lot of people in the county that does not know about this program, is that correct?
That is correct.
What percentage would you say?
I am not sure. When we put it out in the paper, and we've been doing the advertisement in some of the other publications in the county, I find people come in and they say, oh, I didn't know about this, and I turned 65 4 years ago. Or I didn't know about the disability exemption, and this will really help me out. So that's why I'd like to go on, on the website and try to make sure that everyone knows about it.
Okay, correct me if I'm wrong on this. Say if somebody turns 65 and they're 69 and they just found out about it, they're not allowed to back.
No, sir, they're not.
They're not allowed to backdate that?
No.
It has to be for the
current year.
For the current year.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a certain date that they have to have that turned in by?
No, we can do it. We can do it now. We can do it anytime during the year. We can even, if you get your tax bill and it's wrong, we can take it off your actual tax bill.
As long as it does not go into the current next year before you
Yes.
have it done. Okay.
Yes.
Well, Ms. Middleton, I appreciate the information. I'm sure the citizens of Gallatin County will appreciate to know this information. We'll try to get it out for you.
Okay, well, I
And we-
want to thank you, Hargis, for letting me do this,
And we
okay?
appreciate you doing it, and anything else that we can interview, help you with, let us know. And thank you.
Thank you.